My angels have a message for you if you're interested in uncreating something that you no longer would like to experience. Now, I use this tool and technique a lot in regards to money and other situations, but the way that I was shown to do it this morning is really super cool, and I think that's why they want me to share it with you. So I do healing alchemy, one-on-one private sessions, or I do teacher training programs so you can learn how to do this too. It is incredible. But they would like me to share this tool with you in case you would like to use it. And it is very, 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 very powerful. And it is called uncreating something. So again, I use it a lot for money, but today I was told to use it for my own health and vitality. So I've been working on clearing out an allergy or hay fever for a few days now. And I've been working on clearing it out, and it's been just lingering around. And I'm like, you guys, what is going on? And my guide said, specifically to do it this way. Ask that everywhere you have uninvited health and vitality into your body or your mind or heart or emotions, you are demanding that be released. So it's really simple. So you're going to say, every place I have uninvited health and vitality into my life, into my mind, my body, my heart, from the beginning of time, from all the lifetimes I've ever lived, I demand that be uncreated now. And I invite in perfect health and vitality in my body, mind, heart, emotions, and entire being. It is incredibly powerful. So it's very simple. You can do it. You want to sit and probably do it for 5-10 minutes. You can use it all day long if you'd like. You can use it for money. You could use it for love. So I'll just go through the example. If you wanted to do it for money, you would say, anywhere that I have uninvited money into my life, into my bank accounts, I'm demanding that be uncreated now from all the lifetimes I've ever lived, from the entirety of my being. I demand it be uncreated now, dissolved, wiped out, canceled, and cleared from the beginning of time. And now I invite money into my life and into my hands and into my bank account with ease and grace and joy and delight. And I invite in avalanches of money into my life. It is so powerful. As you can think about how much money you want to receive, what you're going to do with the money, or if it's a health thing, how grateful you are to your body that it is working optimally and it is happy and it is healthy and it's radiant. It feels good and you have energy and strength and vitality to do everything that you're doing. And again, you can use this with anything. So you're going to uncreate whatever it is you no longer desire, and then re-invite in what it is you do desire and claim it. And remember, my dear, you are powerful and worthy of everything beautiful and everything good, which includes health, vitality, money, relationships, loving yourself, and loving the life that you are here to live on the beautiful earth. So remember, if you'd love to have some deeper transformation, I would really love to meet you. So thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. You are loved, you are blessed, you are beautiful. So let's do this.